Well, a very good day, Carnival family. My name is Aubrey from your Fun Squad, and let me be the first to officially welcome you on board the beautiful Lone Star ship of Texas, the Carnival Jubilee. I hope you are ready for all the fun that we have in store for you.
It's cruise day. Here we go. Thanks a lot. We appreciate you.
I'm gonna go right there by the door right there.
What terminal is this, by the way?
You for the Jubilee, ain't you?
Yeah.
25, yeah.
Okay. So here we are at the port. We are at Terminal 25. Getting ready to get on. Just checked our bags. All right, Mom. We're on the gangway. Vacation's about to begin. We are on the gangway. Muster station. Thank you.
Deck 14.
Our home for the next week is Deck 14. Chance, what'd you get here?
I got Shaq's chicken with tenders and fries.
Okay. Ezra, what'd you get?
It's a chicken sandwich.
All right, let's see. You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Chance, how do you like yours?
I like it, it's good.
Good. First meal under their belts. So we just made a really bad mistake, a rookie mistake. We waited a little bit too long. There was nobody on this ship. We waited a little bit too long, and you'll see what the line looked like. We do have a tradition. We have to get guys first thing on the ship. Every single time. This time we were going back and forth. Do we want to go to Shaq's? Do we want to go to guys? No competition. We got to go to guys. So, got guys. Here we go. Of course, worth the wait. What do we got? All right. Hi, Mom.
Hello. Our cruise room.
We're looking straight out to Galveston, aren't we?
Somebody say, oh yeah!
So how many of you guys do this little hack, which is buy waters before you get on board? We always do. We make sure that we get at least one package of waters, most of the time 2 packages. Who else brings on their own pop? You can bring on a 12-pack per person. Saves you money. Every little bit saves you money. So I'll take these now and start loading them into there. Did you know you could adjust these shelves? I took one out already, put it on the ground so I have more room for this up here. And then I was going to shut this door, couldn't get it shut. Let me take this off, put it off to the side, and now, boom.
What's up?
What's up? We're leaving, sail away. So we are trying to figure out where to go eat tonight. We didn't necessarily want to go to the MDR, so the boys helped us pick. I think we're gonna try out Chibang for the first night.
We're having a debate if it's Chibang, he says Chibang, or Chibang. That's what I say. So tell us what you guys call it.
Good.
The super loaded nachos.
And I got the super loaded nachos from Chibang and Carnival Jubilee.
Give it a go. See what you think.
It's okay.
All right. All right. What'd you get, bud?
I don't really know, honestly. I don't really know what this meat is.
That's
but
all right. It's a mystery meat.
yeah, it's just tacos, so
How do you like it?
pretty good.
Good. What'd you get, babe?
Spring rolls.
All right.
Yeah.
I got the pot stickers and the lettuce wraps. Those look good. They sounded crunchy. Good?
They're good.
That's one of my favorite things, actually, is these lettuce wraps. Okay, pot stickers. Another one of my favorites.
Good?
I like Chibang a lot. They got a lot of good stuff. Chance got the fish. What do you think?
I like it. It's good.
Okay, good. Ezra, you got the noodles.
Yep.
They good?
Yeah.
Kung Pao chicken.
Kung Pao chicken. All right. And I got the shrimp, sweet and sour shrimp. It's good. It's good to mix these two right here. Final thoughts, babe?
This was, it was okay.
It was okay.
fine, yeah. And then the noodles, I remember liking them more than I did this.
Me too. Interesting. Ezra?
Yeah, it was alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Chance?
It was great. I just didn't want to eat much.
Okay. So I think the consensus of the table is, it was okay. Does anyone use this on the bed? Just got back to the room. Our luggage is here. We just had dinner, so getting unpacked. This is one of the things I do. I am just a fiend about getting all my stuff unpacked and getting it put into the closets and the drawers. I can't stand living out of a suitcase. Then I'll take this and put it underneath of the bed. Gives us a lot of room. Got back to the room and got everything unpacked, got it in its place, the drawers loaded up. We cannot handle coming into the room and not unloading and unpacking. We are OCD. I mean, when we get to the room, we have got to get everything unloaded and unpacked. We just can't relax until we do. Get everything unpacked onto the shelves, and then vacation can begin. Got our phone chargers ready to go. My book, my phone charger. So we're all tucked into our room now. Everything unpacked, in drawers, in closets, and we can relax, have vacation now. The last part of us moving into our room is the crown jewel. Okay, this is our first ice cream cone. What are you going with, babe?
Going with the swirl.
Swirl? Show us how it's done.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Okay, babe. Whoa! So,
3 points.
yep, 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so technically right now on that game, I'm 1, Joyce is 1, so we'll have to come back around and do a tiebreaker. So finishing out our first day on the top deck, watching one of my favorites, Dune 2. Doesn't get much better than this. Good morning.
Good morning.
We had a late night last night, that's for sure, didn't we?
I think 1, something like that.
Yeah, got down here to Summer Landing. Really nice place. I like it. 8 aft. There, I love that little area back there in the back with the pool and the play. It's very rare that there's a whole lot of people back there in that back area. It's kind of like a hidden area. Most people go up to the main pool. We woke up this morning, we decided let's go down, get a little bit of breakfast just to kind of pick over weren't super hungry, and sat around, find a nice little spot to sit, do our Bible study right off the bat in the morning. Got some coffee in us, got a little bit of breakfast. We're starting day 2, sea day. Sea day. This will probably be super windy, but we found a really cool spot just underneath our room. We're on floor 14. We found this really neat spot down here at the bottom, right on the side of the ship. This is deck 8, and we're just outside of like beach buns and everything. But man, there's nobody over here. Like over here on this side, it's shaded. It's nice. It's just a nice little spot to hang out. And back to our room to say hello to this little, what is he? A bear? It's lunchtime. We have been craving pizza big time. So we got over here to Coastal Slice, which is 8 mid. It's on deck 8, kind of midway through. It's right beside Beach Buns. This is a neat little area. I really love how they've got it set up, the lights. Really looks like some incredible pizza. This is actually, for Joyce and I, believe it or not, one of our favorite meals on the ship is the pizza. We just absolutely love it. One little tip too, we always go upstairs to the buffet. What do we get at the buffet before we get pizza normally?
We get a salad so we feel healthy about the pizza.
Yeah.
So good.
What'd you put on there, babe?
The Italian seasoning, Parmesan, and red peppers.
Yeah.
Liven it up a little bit.
Man, I love this pizza. It is so good. It's 7:24, and here's what the sun looks like at 7:24. Well, good morning from Cozumel, Mexico. A very, very pretty day. I think it's in the mid-80s today. Water's very calm and very beautiful. Today, we're going to be heading over to Paradise Beach. We got the day pass for each one of us, which includes unlimited food and drink. Come along with us. We're going to have a fun day.
We're in Cozumel, Mexico. The ship just docked, and we're about to have a fun day at the beach.
All right. How much is to Paradise Beach?
It's $18.
Okay.
Bobby, right?
Yes.
Bobby and Joyce.
Chen.
Chen.
That's right.
Nice to meet you guys. My name is Adrian.
Adrian?
Yeah.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, bien.
¿Hablas español?
A little.
A little bit? Okay, I got for 2 teenagers, right? Start by the beach, right?
Yes, please.
Don't forget, your restaurant included food and drinks unlimited, margaritas, piñas coladas.
What do you think you're going to start with, Mom?
I think we're gonna get the nacho volcano. I think I want their guacamole and chips and salsa. Later, maybe we'll get the spicy garlic shrimp from the taco truck. I've always wanted to try the taco truck. And maybe this blackened mahi taco. I bet that's good.
I got a pina colada, non-alcoholic mom.
Ezra, what'd you get?
You can go to the bar and
Same?
It's good.
What do you think of the water, babe?
It's really nice.
Tell us for real. What do you think of the water?
It's pretty murky, pretty brown. It's wet. And
It's wet.
cold.
It cools us on. It does the job, doesn't it? Okay, Mom, let's see. What'd you get?
Virgin strawberry daiquiri.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
What are you dipping into there?
Guac.
The guac? Real review, like for real.
It's really good.
Is it?
What's the real review?
Yeah, the real
That's
review.
real.
Because sometimes we eat stuff and we're like, oh, yeah, that's good.
In Mexico, is it authentic Mexican?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Tastes good to me, yeah.
Does it?
It's got a little heat to it.
Looks really good.
Those are great.
There goes Chance. There goes Ezra.
I had fun.
You have a good time?
Yeah, I had a
Feel
great
good.
time. He feels great.
Really good.
You have a good day, Ez?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Probably Bradley.
Okay,
Bradley, my boy B-Rad from
Bradley
Texas
from
Tech.
Texas Tech.
Bradley and Mason from Texas Tech, you are great guys.
Yeah.
How about you, Joyce?
Oh yeah, I had a good time. We had some yummy food and
What about you, Bobby?
You know, my favorite part of the day was just chilling out on the beach.
Paradise Beach! Hey guys, what do pirates smoke? Seaweed.
What up?
Can't see my hat.
Back to our room after Cozumel. What'd we get? What do you call that? Oh, it's an F in it. Goodbye, Cozumel. It was fun. Now we'll sit here and watch for pier runners. No fun at Cozumel today on pier runners.